Hi, this is Gene from the Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'm here to show you how to make Inihaw na Adobong Bangus, grilled milkfish adobo. Alright, we're going to get started by creating the marinade for the bangus. We're going to start with half a cup of vinegar, then half a cup of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and then 4 cloves of garlic crushed. Just gonna whisk it real quick. Now we're going to add our marinade to the fish, to the bangus. What we want to do is we want to place the fish meat side down. Now we're going to let this marinate for about 2 to 4 hours. So I'd marinated the milkfish for about 2 hours, and now I'm going to just blot it dry. Now we're going to coat it with extra virgin olive oil, just so it doesn't stick to the grill. Alright, now it's ready for the grill. Alright, let's spray some grilling oil to the grill. I'm going to put the fish on the grill skin side down. So we're going to cook this about 3 to 5 minutes per side. I'm just going to turn this to 90 degrees. Let's go ahead and turn this over. Alright, that should be done. Go ahead and get this off the grill. Okay, so here it is, grilled milkfish adobo. Let's give this a try. You can really taste the soy sauce and the vinegar. Of course, this would go great with rice. Let's turned out really well. So there you have it, grilled milkfish adobo. Please make this at home and let me know what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.